मैं एम अभी लिख रहे हैं.
Yes, good morning, class 6 children. So, today,
Morning, ma'am.
after completing chapter number 12, we are going to start with chapter number 13, fun with magnets. So, here is the aim in front of you. In this chapter, children, kindly write down the aim. We are going to study how magnet was discovered. And second thing, we'll study about the different magnetic, non-magnetic substances, the properties of magnet, that how we can check that this iron rod or anything is a magnet. So magnet is having a special kind of properties that it can attract and repel the other magnetic objects on the basis of its poles. As it has two poles, so we need to discuss all that things. And one more thing, the different types of magnets are there in this chapter, like horseshoe magnet is there, bar magnet is there, small pieces of the magnets are there, that all we are going to study about it. And in last part of the chapter, we'll study that how magnet is useful for us, where we are using the magnets. Okay, so there are many of the objects in our daily life that where we are using the magnets. So this is all about the chapter we are going to study. And you must have seen the magnets you used to play with. There are also magnet present in the market, which is like a game we need to play. So children, all these things we are going to study in this chapter. But before starting the chapter, write down the aim: to study about the discovery of magnets and to know about magnetic and non-magnetic materials. And uh, before going in detail, let's discuss the key terms of this chapter. What are the key terms or misunderstood words you can say? So here are few of the misunderstood words like compass, magnet, magnetite, North Pole, and South Pole. I'm giving you 5 minutes, children. Kindly find the meanings of these words. Hurry up. Okay, children, let's continue. First word is compass. So, yes, Madhav, give the meaning of compass.
And the small glass case containing a magnet is the needle pivoted on a nail in it is called compass.
Okay. So, Parnika, you can also give the meaning of compass. Parnika. Yes, Parnika. Same compass word I'm saying. Give the meaning of this word compass. What do you mean by it?
A compass is a small glass which tells us direction.
Okay, a simple which tells us that simplest device which tells us about the direction. Okay, Aprajita.
A simple.
Yes, speak
And
out.
the definition of compass is a simple circular device which tells us direction.
Okay, a simplest circular device which tells us about the direction. Okay, Aditya Purohit.
Ma'am, the simplest circular device which tells about the direction.
Okay, next.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Next word is magnet.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Madhav.
Can I
Kahra.
tell?
Yes, Madhav.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, substance having the property of attracting piece of iron or some other substance are called magnet.
Okay, children, you can take this point from here only. Magnetite is also there, Samri. Magnet is also there. Okay. And here, two more words you can add. One is a magnetite and other is non-magnetic. Magnetic and non-magnetic. The materials which are not attracted towards a magnet are known as non-magnetic material. Okay. Okay. Next is, so maximum of the words we have completed. Yes, Puneet Anand. What about North Pole?
Ma'am, can I, Madhav?
Madhav has already told. Yes, Puneet, what is North Pole?
North Pole is a side of North Pole is a north side of magnet.
Okay, north side of the magnet is known as North Pole. Vedic Negi? Vedic, what do you mean by South Pole?
Ma'am, South Pole is the south side of the magnet.
Okay, this is the south side of a magnet. So children,
Ma'am, can I?
these are the words: compass, magnet, magnetite, North Pole, South Pole, and two more words I had told you to add. One is your magnetic and other is non-magnetic. And you can get the definitions from here. The materials which are not attracted towards the magnet are known as non-magnetic, and the materials which are attracted towards magnet are known as magnetic material. Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell meaning of North Pole?
Already we have done. Okay, you can tell. Children, you can add one more word. Repel. Add this word also. Repel means to move away. Write down the meaning of it. Add these words because already very less words are there. You add 3 words more. One you have read, added repel. Other is magnetic material and non-magnetic material. You can add these more words. So I want each one of you to write down the meaning of these key terms or misunderstood words in the notebook.